Have you ever seen one of these? It's a, well, I was going to say it's a 4-hole harmonica. It's actually, this has got 5 holes, but usually they have 4 holes. It's a mini harmonica. And I just looked on YouTube, and 17 years ago, when I was about 9, I suppose, I played one of these on YouTube 17 years ago. So I'm going to play it again now. I'll put the link down there somewhere. So scale of C, I think it's in C. Yeah, it's in C. Okay, like and follow for more, or link in bio, or comment, share. Thank you.